Welcome to A Shot of Joe, the place where you come to get enlightened and get empowered. Make sure you click below to subscribe. I'll keep you up to date on what's happening in the world of energy. Also give you tools that you can use every day to move your life forward in a positive way. I wanted to focus today. This month of August, which of course, we've all been waiting for this. We knew this was going to be a very significant month in the year because of all the different activity that's taking place and all the shifting and higher vibration really that's coming in. So today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the Lionsgate portal, which is happening on August 8th. I'm not sure when you're seeing this, but it's going to be August 8th, 2023. Now, we always have a Lionsgate portal every single year, always on 8/8. It's a yearly occurrence. So what happens is, if you're not familiar, when we have a portal opening, which I think of it as, it's like an opening up and energy comes in faster, higher vibration, higher frequency, whatever you want to call it, just comes pouring in. Think of it as, wow, all this energy is coming in. The way it hits us is based on where we are in our journey. So for example, the lighter your energy is, meaning the less attached you are to the physical world, the more work you've done, you're going to get hit first. So it's going to hit you stronger, so to speak. Then it would hit people who are, let's say, in more dense energy. And I don't say that to judge, but just to understand. So some people who are in a different place of their journey, maybe they're more attached to the physical world, or they're still in more of a dense type fear-based energy, they're going to get it a little less than we would get it at a higher level of awareness. So what you want to be aware of here as this is taking place, and again, it's been happening because last week, which is why I have the moon behind me, we had the super moon on August 1st. We have another super moon coming up the end of the month. We have a lot going on this month. And this energy is already flowing and it's already ramped up, and now it's just going to keep going up. What are a few things for you to be aware of as this happens and as we go forward? So the first one is, as we are elevating, we are going to keep having things come into our consciousness that we have to address. So for example, if there's something that you have not dealt with, if there's something that's been bothering you, or it could be a decision that you have to make, and you say, well, I haven't made this decision, or maybe you've been delaying an inevitable decision, something that you have to do, but you're kind of, I can't get there. I can't make that decision right now. You're going to be forced into it almost to a degree. And if you don't go in the way that is best for you, the way that is aligned with your energy, then you're going to be spun back the other way. And we don't want to have that happen. The key here going forward is your alignment with your highest self is always going to be the optimum thing. And that's not now, that's all the time. But now it's just going to be faster. You want to make sure that you are in alignment with your highest and greatest self and where you want to go with your life. And this will be a time that you will be supported when you stay in that space. You will see it right away, because when you're aligned, things will start flowing and helping you. And when you're not, you'll start running into a lot of issues. If you say to yourself, wow, I feel like I'm aligned, but it's not happening, or I feel like I'm aligned, but I have these things coming up, that means that's something your soul is trying to get you to resolve. It's going to say, hey, you know what, Joe? Here's something, you have not dealt with this feeling. I just had an episode the other night where I kind of woke up and I had a vision of my father and something that happened to us, between us when I was a kid. And it gave me a chance to just address it and let it go. Wasn't the end of the world, but it was something that was sitting inside of me that I had not cleared. So be aware of those types of things, something you remember, an old feeling it could be, or it could be something that you just resisted. So be aware of this. Is a very exciting time as we continue to ascend, even though the world is going crazy. Focus on your ascension and bringing yourself to the highest level. So enjoy this 8/8 portal. It's going to be a great opportunity for you to elevate. I look forward to seeing you. Don't forget, subscribe, come back. I'll keep you up to date.